Hi Vishakha, welcome to my YouTube channel.
Thank you, Rupali.
I'm really excited to talk to you and hear from you about your journey. So let's dive into the topic. So, before we learn about your healing journey, I wanted to ask you what were some of your emotions or what were your challenges which you were going through before joining the healing sessions?
So before actually I joined the session, I was very confused with my life. I had no answer as to what I want to do next. What I want to do now is was also not very clear. I was like thinking a lot about it, that I have to do this, I have to do that, but the clarity that yes, I need to do this as my next step was not there. But once I joined the session, slowly and steadily, I started getting my answers back. So it was very helpful for me.
Okay. So what were some of your amazing experiences during this healing journey? Like, what were the few things which you maybe learned for the first time, or how was your overall experience in the sessions?
I think what I learned during the session was to trust myself. I think that is the biggest thing that I was like losing out from my own memory. I was not confident because I wasn't trusting myself.
Mm-hmm.
This session helped me get back that trust on me. It helped me to go back to my childhood and think in the same way I used to do then.
Yes.
Right now, I was like not sure. The answers were in front of me, but I wasn't able to see them. And when I started doing this Ho'oponopono technique with you, and I started concentrating those 10 minutes with my own self,
Mm-hmm.
everything started clearing off for me. And I think your guidance helped me a lot to focus right into what I want to achieve next. I'm really
Wow.
thankful for that.
Wow. So nice to hear. So it's like, okay, there was fog all around. You knew that this is your way, but because of the confusion and not so clear thoughts, you were not able to see the path. But then, when you trusted yourself that yes, the answer lies within you, you were able to get the right direction. So nice.
Yeah.
So nice to hear. So what are some of your couple of results which you would say, like in last 4 weeks, which were stuck for a long time, and you could get back in those 4 weeks?
Mm. So last year I wanted to do a certification,
Mm-hmm.
and I was very sure that I have to do it, but somehow I didn't complete it. There.
Okay.
Uh, this year my focus was to go back and give it again. But
Mm-hmm.
when I started doing this session, what I realized that even if I'm not able to do that major certification,
Yeah.
why I cannot take another small step and why I cannot do next certification, which is smaller
Mm-hmm.
in comparison to the one that I want to do. And
Okay.
let's help myself get confident in the way
Yes.
of achieving that. And you won't believe, during this 4 week, I made a decision that I will go for this another certification. And I achieved that certification with the thought in mind that I have cleared it. And I had no doubt when I was actually taking that certification that I won't complete. It was like I have done it, I'm clear. And
Okay.
uh, and just before that certification, I did this Ho'oponopono to
Okay.
concentrate back.
Mm-hmm.
And I wrote affirmation in my diary that I have cleared my exam
Yes.
with these results. And I did your pillow technique to make myself sure that the universe is there to take care of it.
Wow.
And I think these three gave me so much of confidence that I was very clear that when I'm giving the exam, I wasn't worried at all.
Mm-hmm.
I knew it will be passed, and that was there. So that confidence was back in me.
Wow. And I think you cleared the certification also.
Yes, I did.
Wow. So I mean, going with the feeling that you are already a winner, that itself is like winning the battle. Correct?
Yes. Yes.
Because many times when I talk to people, it's like people are not confident enough to face the thing. Facing is a second thing, but just thinking of facing something itself is a big hurdle. But you
Yeah.
have so beautifully crossed it. And I must say, I mean, I was really amazed to see that you were following everything which was taught in the session, step by step, with so much of discipline. So all credit goes to you, because you were the one who followed the process and you trusted the process. So,
I know this trust came in because you provided me the knowledge in the way it should have been. Because earlier also I knew about it,
mhm,
but I didn't trust it. And
yes,
that was the reason I didn't focus that time. So
correct.
I think the way it is imparted is very important, that the trust comes from your mentor. And I think you did your wonderful job in doing that.
Yeah, so happy to see, because once you get back that trust in yourself, then sky is the limit and you can achieve anything. And that's what I wish for you.
Thank you so
So
much.
thanks, Vishakha. And my last question. So many people are watching this video today. So what
Mhm.
would be your one message to people about the sessions which you have gone through? Is it really important to go through these kind of exercises and spend time with yourself? What would you like to tell them?
I would like to tell them if they are actually doing this, do it with the belief that the universe is there to take care of you. No self-doubt, no doubting your universe there. He's always there. It's just that we need to tell us back ourselves that yes, we can do it, and the God is there to help us to do it. So trust and move ahead.
Okay. Thank you so much. So, I mean, I'm really amazed to see the transformation in last 4 weeks, the day when we started and now. So thank you so much for spending this time with me and going through all the sessions and sharing your knowledge with the world, because it's very important to share it with the world, so that at least if one person gets benefit out of this session, that would be the best. So
Thank you so much, Rupali, for giving me the opportunity to speak here and giving me all the learnings that came from it. Thank you.
thanks, Vishakha. Thanks for sharing.
Thanks, Rupali.
So people who are watching us on the YouTube, if you want to join my sessions, I will be giving the link in the description box. Please join the community, and I will share all the details related to the webinars, related to all the law of attraction upcoming sessions which I'll be conducting, and I'll see you there. Thank you. Thanks, Vishakha.
Thank you.